Hi, my name is Tracy Achieng, a Shesi class of 2026. I'm an undergrad pursuing mechanical engineering, and I am the team lead for Kilimo Chill Solution.
My name is Alan Painty, class of 2024 Electrical and Electronics Engineering. I am building Tsudoke, a solar charging station for e-bikes that are used for on-campus deliveries.
My name is Emmanuel Jan, a Shesi class of 2025, and I am building AutoCut. At AutoCut, we are trying to develop an automated fabric cutting machine which is targeted at medium to large scale garment makers. And we are doing this to help them eliminate the waste and solve the slow process of cutting in the garment making process.
Kilimo Chill Solution is a cold storage room that is meant to be installed in Kenyan markets, which is going to be utilized by the fruit and vegetable market vendors. So we are solving the problem of post-harvest losses, where we do realize food between the farmer and the consumer. In Africa, we lose 40 to 67%. We can imagine how big that is.
I started Tsudoke to solve the issue of waiting in long lines for food and to give staff and students the option of having food delivered to them on or off campus.
This machine is designed to be a precision cutter. And in Ghana here, most of our tailors and people in the garment making space use scissors and chalk to do their cutting. And there are even more advanced companies that have laser machines. But the issue is that the laser machines are imported and they are very costly. But with AutoCut, we are solving all of these issues by providing a precision cutter, which is, first of all, affordable, and also provide them with local servicing and maintenance.
So in Kilimo Chill Solution, we are repurposing shipping containers made of Cortex steel. For our system, we are utilizing the air conditioning system because we need to control both the humidity and the temperature, considering we are dealing with food crops, and powering our whole structure using the solar panels because we are looking into using renewable sources of energy.
So the first benefit I got from the Arthur Visa program came from the storytelling session, where I got insights to not market the business as just a service, but a bridge between clean energy and campus mobility. Now, the most valuable session to me was the technical session, where I also got good insights on how to size the charging station and more insights on prototyping a solar electric vehicle that can also be used for campus deliveries.
And finally, with our financials, we wanted to put our price to be very low, but then realized actually raising it by 50%, the market is still going to be able to afford us.
I am hoping to turn this into a business that doesn't just deal in fabric cutting, but also provide solutions for people in the entire fashion industry.
My team and I has built confidence in our idea, where we believe it's not just an innovation, but it can be a viable, feasible business in the agricultural industry in Kenya.
At the heart of Tsudoke is the idea of going green. The solar electric vehicles being developed can be used to run deliveries all over the country. It's been a holistic experience, merging innovation and entrepreneurship for people who come from STEM backgrounds.